As welcome to my channel as we continue our journey in content creator masterclass, and we are into deep one in it now. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you the kind of physical tools that you need right now to start your content creating. You don't really need much tools right now. You don't really need much tools. If you are watching this video now, I believe you have phone already. Okay, it doesn't matter. Actually, phone actually matter, but it's not about it. It's not must that you get iPhone. You can get, because I'm using Android now. You can see I'm using Android. I don't have, I don't get money uh, for iPhone for now. So I'm using Android to create my video, and you are watching it, and you are really cool. So you can use your Android. That's the same Android that you used to watch. You can use it to start creating content. So number one on my list is your Android. Use your Android. Don't spend money on camera uh when you don't know what you are even going to create, or you don't. You can use your phone. You can just start with your phone. Okay, you can start your phone. Number two is microphone. All right, this one that I'm using now. Look at it. Look at it. This one that I'm using now. I bought it 30,000 naira. You understand? If you may not be using this one, if you are not creating this kind of content, this kind of talking content and talking content, you may not be using this one. There's little one that they are used to put here. That Bluetooth on. You can get it. That I don't know how much they are really selling it, but maybe I will help you make the inquiry. So if you really want to know how much they are selling it. So even if you don't have that one, even if you don't have money to buy that one, you can still create content. You understand? As you I set the camera now. If I don't use this one, you will still be hearing what I'm saying, because your phone already have a microphone. All right, okay, your phone already have microphone. You just have to start somewhere. All right, if God bless you have money, you can just go to what is it called, Jumia. And if you don't know, you can just go to any market that you know they are selling microphone. And if you don't know, you can just type I don't know for inside the comments. That I'm coming to tell you where I bought my own, so I can show you where I bought my own. That means if you are within Lagos, so if you are not within Lagos, I don't know what I can do. I'm very, very sorry. So I don't know what I can do. You can just search online and here's nearest shop in your environment to get what you need. You can just buy those Bluetooth on. They used to pin it here, or you can just put it in the mouth and you start talking what you want to be talking, and people are going to watch it. And number third on my list is ring light or tripod. Now if you have money, you can buy ring light or tripod. You can just buy ring light, because you will actually need the light. If you have money where you can buy one tripod and one leg light. You can buy I don't know how much they are selling it. You can just make inquiry. You can just buy one LED light and one what is it called, one tripod. And if you don't have money to buy the two, right now the one that you are seeing now is only ring light I'm using. I'm not using LED light. I'm not using tripod. I buy the 18 inches ring light. You can see, look at my power bank. This one is using power bank. It's rechargeable. Understand? You can just buy one power bank and buy the 80 inches ring light. And when you put your when you insert it here, you on it, it will power it. There's no need to be plugging it in light. So you don't have to buy that one that they used to plug directly, because Lagos, Nigeria, NEPA, they misbehave. That is why I bought my power bank. So I'm using power bank to power it. See, look at it. Look at it now. You can see. You can see. Look at it. I'm using power bank to power it, and which is what I'm using now. So you can buy this thing. I will not encourage you to buy 10 inches or 12 inches. If you buy 16 to 15 to 18 inches, is very okay. So those one bright well, and you can be using them. So after this one, what else do you need? What else do you need? Background. If you are in another place whereby you don't have what how am I going to say it? Maybe you don't have good background. Maybe you don't have good background. If you look at me very well, let me show you. If you look at me very well, you see this thing behind me. This is not my background though. The real background, if I show you, you will laugh. You can see. You can see I it is banner that is here. It is banner. Look at it. It is banner. If you are seeing it, it is banner. So it is banner that is there. I buy the banner and I I just I put it up there. And when I'm sitting, you will not know that it is banner. So it is it is a survivor text you hear trick. So you just can just get yourself white banner. All those people that are printing banner, they will help you print one. You understand? Go. It won't more than maybe 15,000 naira. That means if you have money, if you don't have money, you can just use any background, anyone, even a small. If you don't have money, you can buy clothes. Let me show you one of the clothes that I buy. Let me show you. You can see this is when I don't have money. I buy this and I'm using it for this one now. I think it's 1 yard. I think it's 1 yard. I think the way I do this banner is the way I do it. So you can just buy this one. If you go buy it, it won't more than 1,500 now or 2,000 naira. You can just get like only a 3,000 own. If you don't want to get black color, they have different color. I know it's like lining either the color. I don't know what they are calling it. But it's lining. So you can just get different color. You can get the blue color, you can get the red color, you can get white color. So you can just get it and you can just spread it like this and use it as your background. And you are good to create content. So don't let it is not until you buy expensive things before you can start creating content. You understand? So I need you to subscribe. You can just go and watch my video. I'll be uploading video on how to start from fresh. Even though you don't know what you can do, even though you don't know how to start, even though you don't know the niche that you are going to start content, even though you don't know every single time. So subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel right now because this is only place you can learn the truth. I'm telling you, this is only the place you can learn the truth about how to grow online. And God bless you.